I'm Dr. Grace, nice to meet you. And let me briefly introduce myself. I'm born in the family of traditional Chinese medicine. My grandpa is a Chinese medicine doctor, and I have doctor degree in acupuncture and Chinese medicine. I'm PhD for that. And before coming to the US, I worked in Shanghai Shiguang Hospital. It's a very, very famous hospital in China. And then I worked in Bay Area, a very busy clinic for several years. Then Tian asked me to come here to do the facial acupuncture. And I'm also certificate for microneedling, and later I will introduce for you what's microneedling doing, okay? So yeah, this is my categories. So traditional Chinese medicine, cosmetic, acupuncture, the history of this, we can go back to 2,000 years before, and there are a considerable number of prescriptions related to TCM beauty. So today we are here and we have brought together these traditional Chinese medicine beauty methods that have been repeatedly used, screened, and perfected by countless people for thousands of years to provide you with natural and holistic beauty. So facial acupuncture is very, very famous. It's the well-known TCM treatment for beauty. It's also called natural Botox. So I have some clients, after several treatments, their friends just look at them to say, did you do the Botox? They say, no, it's very natural. So it can insert into the face to stimulate your collagen production, improve the blood circulation and the tones, facial muscles, leading to a firmer, smoother complexions. And it's also proved by many, the very famous journals and the very famous universities. They also prove that acufacial can make your face firmer and smoother. And we have two customers here. They already feel the difference. Okay. And then we have 9 meridians across our face. So you can see some is on the superficial, some is in the deep of our muscle. So we use acufacial to stimulate, to go to the deep into your skin, your muscle, your fascia, to stimulate your SMAS layer of the skin, okay, and then stimulate the protection of new cells, provide more collagen, and increase the muscle elasticity. We have many clients after the treatment, they can feel the face getting firmer and smoother. So what's the difference between our acufacial and other treatments? Because whatever you do is just on the superficial, on the very superficial of your skin. But our acupuncture is go to the deep of your muscle, and SMAS, the layer of skin, to stimulate your self-healing system. It's a holistic thing because our beauty is related to our inner world, right? So when we do the facial acupuncture, we do our meridians. It's also related to our organs, our inside. So we want you to become beautiful from inside. So for example, if you have a lot of acne, that's because inside of your body you have a lot of dampness and heat. So it will burst out of your face, okay? And if your face is very pale, very sagging, maybe it's because you don't have enough energy, your spleen is weak. So in this case, we will make your spleen stronger. We will use acupuncture not only on the face, but also on your body to stimulate your self-healing system. And then maybe we also give you some herb. Herb is like nutrition. We need some blocks to build up your health, your beauty. So sometimes we also will suggest some herbs. So our treatments is more holistic and more natural. Okay, so we can see this is 8 on the superficial of our meridian. So like this one is stomach. So when we do facial acupuncture, some people will feel like my digestion getting better. And I have a customer, she has a hearing problem. So when we do acupuncture, we will do it close to the ear. So after several treatments, she said I can hear more clear. My hearing is getting better. And also I have another customer, she used the like birth control something, so her period is irregular. After 2 months, she said my period come back. My period is more balanced, more regular. Before that, she already feels she's menopause. She already almost finished her period, but then after 2 months, her period become more normal. So that's a very good side effect for the facial acupuncture, yeah. And you can see a lot of movie stars, not only in China but also in the US. They all do the facial acupuncture. So facial acupuncture now is more and more popular. And this is our some cases. You can see this is before, and this is after for treatment. The most significant difference she feels is like before her eyes is like this, and now she can like open bigger, and she can feel her the skin is smoother and brighter than before. And also this one is after 2 treatments, so you can see the difference. The result is very obviously. And this is Juan and another lady. And before Juan's eye bag is very big, and after maybe just 1 treatment, immediately she can feel the difference, right? She's so surprised. The first day she come here, I do the facial acupuncture for her, and she said this eye bag just belong with me for my whole life. Yeah. And then it's smaller immediately. She's very, very happy. And this one is after maybe 10 treatment. You can see her eye bag's difference. And to make it more clear, we also take picture of her side. Like you can see before it's big, now it's flatter. Yeah, so it's very good. And also this lady, she felt like before it's more puffy, now the face is like less puffy and more smoother. Also her friends all can see the difference. And this lady too, we can see the wrinkles, and before the face is sagging, now it's much better too. And this is me in the Chinese hospital. And another thing is microneedling. Microneedling, also known as collagen induction therapy. So it creates controllable microtraumas in your face to stimulate your face, provide more collagen and make your face more elastic, and enhance transdermal absorptions of serum like vitamin C, PRP, something like that. And there are some evidence for microneedling. It can make your collagen production better, make your skin rejuvenation, and it's also good for the acne scar tissues. Some people, if they have scar tissues, microneedling can be better. And that's good for the wrinkles, aging skin, and the last one there. And also some people, they have problem with the hair losing. So microneedling, it can also stimulate your hair growth. So yeah, it can make your hair stronger and stimulate to grow more hair. This is the sample of this is scar tissue, and then it's smoother. And this is the hair. You can see the difference. And before doing microneedle, we need to use the numbing cream, because that's a little bit painful. But acupuncture, that's fine. And we just do once a month for microneedling. But for acupuncture, we can do every week, and sometimes even twice a week in the beginning. So that's okay, and that's what we do for the microneedling here. And when we do facial acupuncture, we also do some facial cupping. It can involve creating a vacuum with cloths or silicone cups. It can stimulate your blood flow and help the circulation, reduce wrinkles, and the skin rejuvenation. And the facial gua sha is good for circulation and reduce puffiness. And it promotes lymphatic drainage, relieve tension, and promoting detoxification. So gua sha and cupping can detox the face because every day we have a lot of pollution. So we have a lot of toxin inside of our skin. So we have the spots, we have the wrinkles. So that's why we can use the cupping and the gua sha to open your lymphatic drainage, turn off your lymphatic drainage, and it can detoxing for you. This is what we do here. And the gua sha is also very famous, popular. I think maybe a lot of people, they have the gua sha board at home, but they don't know how to do it. And in October, we have some workshop. We can teach you how to use gua sha and the facial cupping.
Workshop.
Yeah, we have workshop here. And we also have a lot of Chinese herbs to help you become beautiful. Like the Tian's herb serum promotes cell turnover for a youth complexion and the skin revitalization. And Tian's sunblock promotes hydration and a natural skin protection from harsh UV rays. So the UV is not only from the sunshine, like when we have a lot of screen time, the cell phones, the computer times, the UV always, do something on our face. So if we use this, the sunblocks, it can help us prevent those UV problems. And the Tense Pearl Cream is my favorite. It can provide deep moisturization, penetration, smooth wrinkles, and tighten the skin. So I have a lot of customers that after the pearl cream, they feel their face is brighter and smoother than before. It's like a skin food. So whatever we do on our face is chemical things, but our products are organic and very natural. So it's a natural food for your body. So it's very good. So our advantage of TCM Cosmetology is we're holistic approach. It's like we treat the root causes of your skin problems. Like if you have acne or like the sagging face, pale skin. So we fix your spleen, we fix your heat and dampness inside of your body to make that beautiful from inside out. Not only just on your face, Some people they have the redness in their face. That's because they have heat, heart heat. So we want to clear the heat in their body. So in that case, they can become more beautiful from inside out. And whatever we do is natural. So the needles, no chemical, anything on the needle, just the needle. It uses the very natural way to stimulate your self-healing system. Our self-healing system is very, very strong. What we do is stimulate your self-potential power to heal yourself. And another one is to prevent and heal. TCM can be used to both prevent skin issues and treat existing condition by balance the body energy. So we have like our front desk, Kimberly. Before every period, she has the very serious breakout for her acne. But after my treatment, just one treatment, she said the next period she doesn't have any acne comes out. So it can prevent. It's very, very good for acne, like problem or like your skin issues. It's a very good way to fix it. And before Kimberly, how scared it is. She's very, very scared of needles. So I never tried to acupuncture her, but after the facial acupuncture, she loves it. Every day she chases something. Grace, you can give me some acupuncture now. So it's very funny. And then now, our acufacial is now in face safe. No any chemicals in the needles, and it's long-term benefits. The longer you do, you can see you are more healthy, and you can feel your skin status is more stronger than before. And it can also stress relief because we also do actually when we do the treatment, we not only do on your face, we also will do some on your hands, on your legs. So it's good for your stress, your digestion, your sleep. If you have any issue, you can tell me. I can also do some on your body. And it's customized treatment. Everyone is different. We will according to your situation to find the best plan for you. So our treatment is different to everyone. So before your treatment, you need to have a consultation with me, and I can give you the best ideas. And when we do the facial acupuncture and the microneedling, we all know that our face, our cell, we have the renewal cycle. So like a baby, they are like very, very fast. But when we're getting old, when we're getting aging, the cells renewal time is longer. So acupuncture, acufacial, and microneedling can accelerate our cell renewal cycle to make you more beautiful. Okay, so now I have some questions. So there are 2 apples, right? So how to make the apple fresh? Do you have any think about that? How to make the apple fresh? We can put them into the refrigerator. We can put them into the refrigerator, right? So what we are doing is to freeze your age. Okay, we are like a refrigerator to freezing your age. And then now I have another question. So should it put in the refrigerator when it's fresh or it start to get old? Yeah, so the earlier you started, the better result you can see, okay? But I have another customer, she is already 79. She also have a very good result. Or even her husband can see the difference. You know, husband is very difficult, you know. And yeah, they also can see the difference. She looks like 10 years younger than before she's at. Now she is 79, but in the beginning she maybe have like because her skin is very fragile, so she's worried about that too. But after several treatments, she's just falling in love with my treatment, and she feel like my sleep getting better, my digestion getting better, everything getting better. I'm so happy. It's like that. And another question. So there are 2 apples. One is organic, one is non-organic. Which one is healthier? Yeah, of course, organic, and then we are organic. We don't have any inhalation, no Botox, no chemical inside. Everything is organic and natural. Okay, so thank you so much for coming to us. Enjoy more nature, holistic health, and beauty as the best way to determine which procedure is best for you through a consultation with me. Okay, and maybe we have many maybe have 25.
Yeah, $25 certificate for you guys to use.
Yeah,
I get that from Kimberly before you leave.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Thank you. And now I need to remove the